have here the line spiral journal notebook. I picked this one because it had this sturdy hardcover, smooth spiral binding, and of course the classic blue finish. Felt well made and ready for use. This is professional enough for meetings, yet simple enough for journaling. Why I like this one: number one, thick, 100 GSM paper. So what that means is when you write on it, it's not going to bleed through the pages. I like the line pages with the table of contents, which is going to be nice for easy organization if you choose. Also, I liked the compact size, a perfect 6 by 8, or rather 5.7 by 7.9 to be exact. This is going to fit neatly on a desk or in a bag. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. These are going to be both reliable, durable, and easy to write in. A cost-effective notebook that feels polished and built to last.